Hello, I'm Rob Moody and we're here at the Matrox booth at ISE 2020. You've seen elsewhere videos relating to our KVMs and our streaming codecs and our wall controllers. In this video we have them all joined together as an ecosystem. We start here at the desk of the supervisor, and the supervisor screens that you see here are actually coming from the PC under the desk through a zero latency 4K loop through of the streaming codec. And the streaming codec is streaming to the wall. Moving across, we come to the operator's situation, and here the PCs are not under the desk. They're in a connected through a KVM system to a rack down the hall or over here, as we see the two shuttle PCs. One's connected with an appliance KVM sender on the top. The other one's got a KVM sender built into the system, and they're connected through a 1 gigabit network to the KVM receiver here. And the operator here has got control of his system. And this is a very low latency system, as you see if I move the content around there. So that is also connected to the wall, and if you now compare the monitor here with the wall, and you can see that there is very little latency at all between sending it to the wall. The operator could actually operate their workstation from looking at the wall instead of their own panels if they wanted to. The wall controller itself, which is where everything came together, is the box with the blue lights here. And this is capturing streams that we saw from the streaming codec. It's capturing HDMIs, and it's aggregating it all together to give that joined up ecosystem with the reassurance that all of those individual items work together to give you the reassurance that there are no issues between the component systems, and that's the Matrox ecosystem advantage. I'm Rob Moody again. For further details, see www.matrox.com/graphics.